Illustration 8. How to work with the plate. How to choose reality. 1. Wake up and log into the awareness point. This is your center screen. This is you pulling yourself away from your inner screen. This is you pulling yourself away from the outer screen. This is you existing in that center place where you can achieve success. This is where you can focus. This is where you can be effective. This is where you can be powerful. I see myself and I see reality. This is a statement that will help you to pull yourself into the center screen and stay there. 2. Disconnecting the screens. Activate the plate. Focus your attention on the plate. So this is really why the plate works and why the plate is magical. Because if you are focusing on this sensation of this external energetic extremity that starts in your head and moves through the back of your skull, down through your shoulder blades, and exits your body. This is you being aware in the moment because you have to be focusing on what this feeling feels like. Therefore, you are activated and you are pulled away. You are disconnected from both screens. 3. With taking your attention away from the plate, imagine a picture of the future. So again, this is you focusing on that future frame that you want to pull eventually into your current frame. So again, if you can project up onto that film reel, up onto that future frame, all of the material and action and thought quality that's in line with your goal, and then activate your plate, you will be able to pull that film reel along like a pulley, eventually realizing that end frame. It's kind of magical. Stay tuned for our next lesson, which is the illusion of action.